So this Euro Yen analysis for Friday, the 6th of April. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So here on the Euro Yen, and we've had this move downwards, formed a bit of a base at the 130, had a strong move upwards, consolidation beneath the 400 period average, had a breakdown from there, formed a higher low from which we did see a breakout beyond the 400 and the 200 period moving average, as well as this 30-60. We've had this move to the upside. This move to the upside has petered out. The strength seemed to have waned, as we can see here. We've gone into a bit of a slow move progression here to the upside. There are these bearish candles punctuating the move, suggesting that the bulls don't have complete control of the market, and bears are somewhat weakening the strength of this move to the upside. So even though there is progression to the upside, it does appear pretty slow. So there's a possibility of seeing a retracement here on the Euro Yen. So if we scale over a little bit here on the Euro Yen, with the weakness which does appear to be heading to this market, we could see that retracement back down towards the 30.94, where we do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, which could act as a dynamic level of support, as well as with the horizontal level of the 30.94, thus seeing a bullish bounce from this 30.94 if we do see this retracement, as this move appears to be weakening. From this 30.94, we could potentially bounce towards that 31.70 key important level marked out here in red, which we've previously found resistance and support. And if we do see sufficient momentum to the upside, if this primary trend here does persist with our higher lows, if we do see this current trend here persist even beyond this 31.70, we're then looking for price to move up towards our 32.02, another key important level where we've previously found resistance and support, and beyond which we're looking for prices to move up towards the, let's just have a quick look to see where we are, up towards our 32.44, which was a more recent swing high in the market. It's not a key important level, but it's a level to bear in mind up at the 32.44, which may just be the far end of the range. I can't anticipate prices moving all the way up towards that 32.83. If, however, we do break down from the 30.94 with the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, we're then looking for price to move down towards a very key important level of the 30.60, where it's marked out in red for a potential bounce. We do have the 400 period moving average pretty close by as well. And if we do see a further breakdown from this 30.60, we're then looking for prices to move down towards that 129.95, 130, and pretty much where this entire move started. This entire move would be retraced again, looking for potential bullish bounce from that level. With that said, that pretty much, let's just have a brief look at the daily chart just to see how price is developing here on the Euro Yen. So on this Euro Yen, let's just have a look. On Euro Yen, we're seeing a bit of a recovery taking place here. Potential inverted head and shoulders. So we've got a shoulder just here. We've got a head. We're potentially putting in another shoulder. If this inverted head and shoulders does play out, we're going to see a move. We'll likely see a move to the upside. So we've got our shoulder. We've got our head there. Potentially a shoulder and further upside momentum. But on this daily chart, we do have to be aware of the 200 period moving average sitting in around that 32.02 as an added confluence, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum coming into the market from that level. With that said, that wraps up the Euro Yen analysis. Thanks for watching.